If you're looking for a way to learn the Australian version of Xero Payroll for free, without having to do endless Google searches or jumping from one random YouTube video to the next, you've come to the right place. We've put together a whole bunch of our Xero Payroll tutorials into a playlist that you can watch from start to finish for free that will teach you how to set up and use the Australian version of Xero Payroll with ease. So it's basically like a free course, and you can watch it whenever you like and as many times as you like. This is actually the first video in the playlist, and to watch the rest of the videos, all you need to do is go to the description below and either click on the link to go to the next video or click on the link to bring the entire playlist up on the side of your screen, and then you can watch the videos one by one. These links are also available in the descriptions of all the videos in the playlist, so if you get lost, just go to the description and click on one of the links provided. We've also partnered with Xero for this video, and we're happy to tell you that we've secured a big discount of 90% off your first 6 months of Xero if you sign up through the link in the description below. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so if you want to save some money, use our link below to sign up to Xero. Okay, so what are we going to cover on this free course? First, it's important to note that I will most likely add, remove, and update lessons over time, but in a nutshell, you'll learn how to set up your Xero Payroll settings, set up pay items like ordinary earnings, annual leave, and sick leave, how to add your staff members to Xero, how to add and assign super funds to your staff, how to set up single touch payroll, how to pay your staff and manage your pay runs, how to reconcile your pay run payments, how to adjust and pay out annual leave, and anything else we add to the playlist over time. Please note that we have a separate playlist for learning how to use the other parts of Xero, such as invoicing and bank accounts, and another playlist for Xero projects. So if you want to learn about those topics for free as well, check out those playlists on our channel. Hopefully this playlist will save you lots of time and money when trying to learn Xero Payroll, and of course if you have any questions or suggestions, we'd love to hear from you, so drop a comment below. Okay, that's it for this video. Go ahead now and click on one of the links in the description below, depending on what you want to do next. And don't forget to check out our affiliate link so you can get the best offer possible from Xero. See you in the next lesson.